In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a dynamic dashboard sidebar with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. I'm excited to share this step-by-step process with you because designing an engaging and functional dashboard is a valuable skill. We'll be using ChatGPT to help us create a modern responsive dashboard using a dynamic sidebar that comes with both light and dark modes. Start by opening up your favorite browser. In the address bar, type in chatgpt.com to access the platform. Once you're on the main interface, you'll notice a search input field waiting for you to type. Here's where the fun begins. In that input field, I'll type out my prompt. I usually start by asking ChatGPT to create a modern responsive dashboard, UI, with a dynamic sidebar. It's important to specify that we want it to support light and dark modes. While I'm at it, I include some essential navigation items we'll need: Think Home, Analytics, Reports, Settings, and Profile. Oh, and let's not forget about including a logo at the top and a toggle switch to allow users to switch between the light and dark themes. Once I have everything typed out, I hit Enter or click the Send button. Just like that, I sit back and wait for ChatGPT to process my request. It doesn't take long before it generates a response. As I look through the results, I see a handy checklist confirming that it included a collapsible sidebar, toggles for light and dark modes, smooth transitions between the modes, and even active menu highlighting for when you click on different tabs. It also assures me that the layout is responsive and boasts a clean and modern design thanks to the styling with Tailwind CSS. Next, I scroll down slightly to peek at the JavaScript code that ChatGPT provided for the dashboard component. I'm particularly interested in checking the layout blocks and the analytics section, especially how different components interact with the Tailwind configuration files. Taking a moment to soak it all in, I continue reviewing the rest of the generated files. It's crucial to note the installation dependencies section, as a successful setup relies on having the right packages in place. I also check the app component setup and appreciate the complete features list that the AI has outlined. Alright, our code is ready, and it's time to see it in action. I navigate to the top right corner of the window and click the preview icon. This allows us to run the design live within the interface. As the dashboard loads, I can see it displays beautifully in light mode. The layout is clean, and right away, I notice some key metrics such as revenue, users, projects, and performance metrics alongside a designated analytics section. Now, let's test out the sidebar and how dynamic it truly is. I start by clicking on the Analytics tab. I see that it highlights correctly, indicating that it's active. Then, I move on to the Reports tab and the Settings tab after that. Finally, I click on the Profile tab. Each time I switch tabs, the dashboard manages to highlight the active menu item flawlessly while maintaining smooth transitions. It seamlessly returns the overall design back to its bright appearance, making it easy to navigate. And there you have it. We've just designed a dynamic dashboard sidebar that's not only visually appealing, but also practical, thanks to the guidance of ChatGPT. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials. Happy coding!